Quickmap is a GIS software bundled with a comprehensive New Zealand-wide property database. Being a trusted source of property information, Quickmap is used by many property professionals in New Zealand. This video will cover a few of the more commonly used features to get you started with Quickmap. We'll cover using the search tool, zooming in and out and setting the scale, the layer control bar, and we'll take a look at the detailed property report. To search on an address, use the Find tool with the binoculars icon. If you have both north and south data, make sure that you have the correct island checked on here. If you do not know the address, you can try searching with another identifier such as the survey plan number, title, valuation reference number, owner, or legal description. Prompt for the nearest house number is helpful if the address that you have entered does not exist or is not typed in the correct format. To zoom in and out, use these buttons. When zooming in, hold down the left mouse button and drag out a box to define your new view. It's also possible to set the map precisely. Select Set Scale from the View drop-down menu. This will display a form where you can type in the new scale. You can also get to this by double-clicking on the scale displayed at the bottom right-hand corner or simply press Ctrl and S. To get back to your previous view after a change, use the Prev key. Up in the left top corner is the Layer Control panel. A layer is essentially a map drawn onto a transparency, so multiple layers overlay each other to form the composite map or the complete map you see on the screen. Each layer can be made visible or invisible using the Layer Control tool. Here I'm turning on the appellation layer and the owner layers from the legal category. If you purchased the aerial photos, the NZ photo layer will be visible here. The red font indicates that you've overridden the default visibility. To restore the layer back to its original state, click on the layer and select Restore Default View Settings, or simply click the Reset button. Use the Info tool to get information on any feature of the map. After selecting the Info tool, click on the map with the left mouse button and Quickmap will highlight the nearest feature to your mouse click, and will bring up information in the report window to the left. To get information on a specific feature, right-click on your layer of interest and make it the active layer. This means it will be the only layer able to be searched on. Setting the parcel as the active layer will also enable multiple parcels to be selected. To clear the active layer, click the Reset button, or right-mouse click on the layer again and untick Active Layer. Click here Hyperlink will bring up the detailed property report. You can also set the report screen to open automatically by selecting from Tools, Options, and ticking Always Display Property Summary. The report should now display when you click on your parcel. The report displays information on the parcel, such as the current title, owner, address, legal description, valuation reference, and the graphical area. Print or copy the report from the toolbar. The blue button links you to a free title preview. And from here, you're able to order the document via the Quickmap document ordering system. The green button links you to a page to order the survey plans. If you have purchased Quickmap with Sales View, you can view recent sales for the property by clicking the valuation reference number. And you can also generate a comparable sales report by clicking here.